Hello friends, myself Kunal Anil Saurkar, lecturer in Electronics Department from Government Polytechnic Achalpur. Now today in this class we are going to discuss about adder or subtractor by using IC 7483. Okay, now this IC number is very important. The IC number is what? 7483. It performs both operation, addition operation and subtraction operation, 4-bit addition operation or 4-bit subtraction operation. Now how it performs, let's see in details. The learning outcome: after watching the video, a student will be able to draw and explain the 4-bit parallel adder or subtractor using IC 7483. Now, today we are going to discuss about the 4-bit parallel adder and subtractor, right? Now, this is the simple circuit for 4-bit addition or subtraction. Okay, at a time it performs only one operation, adder, or it may be used for subtraction. Okay, and that depends on what? That depends on your amp. This is what your controlling amp, you can say. Okay, this controlling amp is maybe a 0 or it may be a 1. Okay, everything is depend on this. Okay, when it is 0 and when it is 1. Okay, now let's see what happened. Okay, now this is the simple circuit for this is what a 4-bit adder. Okay, now you can see here, this is my 4 bits, A4, A3, A2 and A1. This is my 4 bits, and this one is my another 4 bits. Okay, now I just want to add this 4 bit with this 4 bit, and this input M, you can say this is also given as an input. You can say this is also given as an input. You can say this is what C in, carry in, right? So you have to take also, you have to take this one is also as your input, that is what C in, you can say. Now okay, now let's see. Now you can see here, this is what your simple XOR gate. Okay, XOR gate and XOR gate, 4 XOR gate use here, and 2 input XOR gate. Okay, now out of this two, the one input is common. Here is what you can see, the one input is what? Common to that control M. Okay, now this is my this is my S4, S3 and S2. This is my outputs, and S1 this is my output. Okay, now the IC number for 4-bit parallel adder or subtractor is what? 7483. Many times the question asks the what is the IC number for 4-bit parallel adder or subtractor. So in that case you have to write down 7483. Okay, now you have to add the this 4-bit with this 4 bits plus C in. Okay, because this is also the another input. Okay, now let's see what happens when M is equal to 0. Now let's check first condition. When M is equal to 0, in that case what happened? Okay, okay, you have to check in that case it operates as an adder or it operates as a subtractor. You have to check it. Okay, now see, when M is equal to 0, that means what? When M is equal to 0, that means what? M is equal to 0, that means what? This 0 is given to one input of XOR gate. Or okay, now here you can see, now here you can see. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now this M is also given, M is 0 is also given to this as an input, right? So now what happened here? This is what your XOR gate. Okay, now what happened in XOR gate? In XOR gate, if you are having one input 0 and another input is anything, you are getting the output. Okay, when one input is 0, you are getting the output, the another input. Okay, whatever your another input. Okay, that means what? In that case, is suppose the another input is A, that means what? You are getting the output is what? A. Okay, now same here, if M is equal to 0 means what? M, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 and this one is also 0, right? Means what? You are getting the output is what? B4 here. You are getting the output is what here? B4, B3. Okay, now for this B2, now for this B1, right? You are getting this output. Okay, now in that case you have to add this bit 4 bit with this 4 bit plus C in, right? So is equal to this is what? A1, A2, A3. I can write simple, suppose this is A. Okay, this is my 4 bit, okay, representing A. This is my 4 bit representing what? B, right? So this one is also, I'm just adding this C, okay, because this is also the input. So now here you can see, now here M is equal to 0, that means what? Indirectly C is equal to what? 0, right? C is equal to what? 0. So here A plus B plus C. So A plus, it means directly A plus B, okay. Now this is what? Adder. It adds 4 bits, okay. Now in this case it adds 4 bits. Simple A plus B addition operation performs, okay, because C in is equal to what? 0. So automatically it becomes what? A plus B. Now when M is equal to 0, it performs the addition operation, okay. Now let's see what happens when M is equal to 1, okay. Now when M is equal to what? 1. Let's see. Now when M is equal to what? 1, okay. Let's see what happens when this M is equal to what? 1. Now let's see what happens when M is equal to 1. This one is given to all XOR gate, okay, one input, okay. This is my 1, here is my 1, here is my 1, right? Now what happened here? This is my XOR gate with one input is what? 1, okay. Now when the one input of XOR gate is 1, and suppose the another is what? Suppose A, suppose, then you are getting the output complement form, in the complement form, right? Okay. Now same rule you have to apply here. Now here you can see B4 plus B4 XOR with what? 1, that means what? You are getting the complement, you are getting the complement, right? Same rule you have to apply here. One input is what? 1, the another input is what? B3, so you are getting the output is what? B3. Same way you are getting the output B2 complement. Here is what? You are getting the complement B1 bar, right? Now this M is equal to 1 is also given as an input to this scene, so scene is equal to what? 1. Now you have to just add this 4 bit with this 4 bit, complemented 4 bit plus C in, right? Now here you can see suppose A3, A2, A1, A2, A3 and A4. I am just writing in the form of simple plain A, okay. A add with what? B plus C in. Now here you can see, here is what? A complements, okay. Here is what? A complement you can say, or you can write in the form of like this, okay. So this is what? This is what? Simple A plus this is what? B complement. Now that means what? One's complement of the input number. This is what? Indirectly what? Because when the input is 0 0 0 0, you are getting here what? 1 1 1 1. That means what? One's complement of B. You can write here like this. This is what? One's complement of B, okay. Now here is what? C in plus. Now here in this case C in is equal to what? 1. C in is equal to what? 1. So I can write this like this, okay. C in as a 1, so is equal to what? Now this is what? 1. Now if you are adding the 1, if you are adding the 1 in 1's complement, you are getting the 2's complement indirectly. You are getting what? The 2's complement, right? You are getting the 2's complement. So that's why I am just writing here the 2's complement of B, right? So here 1's complement of B plus 1, that means what? You are getting what? 2's complement of B. Now here you know the subtraction by using 1's complement, subtraction by using 2's complement, okay. When you are just subtracting the A minus B by using what? 2's complement, then automatically you are finding the 2's complement of B and add with A. Same you are getting here. That means what? A plus 2's complement of B. That means what? You can here you can write this like this, okay. Now okay, because of you know how the 1's complement, subtraction by using 1's complement and subtraction by using what? 2's complement. Here I am applying for what? 2's complement, okay. Here is what? 2's complement of B, so that's why you can write A minus B. So here is it performs A minus B, A 4 bit minus 4 bits, okay. Now here in that case, in this case, it perform the subtraction operation, okay. Now when M is equal to 1, this adder subtracts, the subtraction operation is performed, okay. Now these are the outputs as S1, S2, S3 and S4, right? Now everything is depend on what this control M. Okay, where it may be 1 or it may be 0. If now we have seen that when it is 0, that means it perform the addition operation, and when it is 1, it perform the subtraction operation, right? All this about the 4-bit parallel adder and subtractor. This is the simple circuit diagram for this. Now in my video I already explained about the adder and subtractor using the IC 7483. Okay, I have taken the example of 4-bit adder. Okay, 4-bit addition or subtraction I already explained in my video. Okay, now this is a simple block diagram, or you can set a circuit diagram for this adder and subtractor. It acts when the input is this M is a, you can say, is a control unit. Okay, it controls the operation. Depend on it, M is equal to 1, then it acts as a adder. I already explained in my video. When this M is equal to 1, then it acts as a subtractor. Okay, I already explained in my video. Now this is, now you can see here these are the 4 XOR gate used here, and the one input is common to that M. Okay, when this M is equal to 0, that means what, the one input of XOR gate is 0, the another input. Okay, at that time what happened, the another input is what, suppose B. Okay, another input is B. When here XOR with what, 0, then you are getting the output B. I already explained in my video. When this M is equal to 1, at that time one input of the XOR gate is what, 1, and then the another input is what, suppose B. When B XOR with 1, that at that time you are getting the output B complement. Okay, I already explained in my video. Now all this about the adder and subtractor using the IC 7483.